Hi loves! Get ready because in today's video I'm showing you one of my favorite natural remedies to get softer, bigger, plumper, pinker lips at home. So let's get started. Starting off with what you'll need, I'll show you how to make it and of course the amazing techniques at the end of the video so you guys can get the best results. This is one of my favorite DIYs. So you'll be needing a small bowl and also a little glass jar or plastic container that you can seal and store this in once you're done. You're also going to be needing some organic coconut oil. I'll link this one down below, and coconut oil is amazing for moisturizing the lips and softening them, especially since it's all natural, and this is the expeller pressed one, so I just find that my skin absorbs it so well. The second ingredient you'll be needing is some plain white sugar. You can also use brown sugar, but I find that with this specific DIY, the white sugar works amazing. This is going to be our natural exfoliant to get rid of any dead skin, any roughness, and just really go deep into our lips with the other ingredients so you can get the full benefits. The third ingredient you'll be needing is some extra virgin olive oil, which is really going to help with the vitamins and minerals to nourish our lips, and I'll go into more detail later. But the fourth ingredient you'll be needing is some ground cinnamon, and if you guys are looking for an amazing natural lip plumper, this is the ingredient you'll need. I've actually used it many times. You guys have had so many great results. I'll link those videos here, and it is optional. If you just want to get your lips soft and pink, you don't need it, but something you will need is this amazing pink natural lip balm. I will have it linked down below. I just use this at the end, which you guys will see, that just turns your lips so pink naturally, and I feel like the more I use it, the better it becomes, and it just smells so good. So now let's get into how to make this DIY lip treatment. Let's start with my holy grail, which is my coconut oil. You're going to need a good spoon of this, but a little hack before making it is to really make sure you mix it with a spoon. This will actually naturally warm up and prevent it from crystallizing before making the treatment. So I just like to give it a good stir, and then once it starts looking like this, I take a nice heaping tablespoon to use as the base. And then I'm going to take a second tablespoon because I do want to make this for the next 3 days. I recommend, if you're new to this treatment, starting with 3 days of it so you guys can really see the results. And coconut oil is so amazing for your lips. It tastes good, it feels good, and it's really going to help soften and plump them with these other ingredients. Now we're going to take a tablespoon of the olive oil, which is so nourishing, and it's actually known when you combine all these ingredients to help soften, pinken, and plump your lips because it just adds so much moisture. But you're going to need to give this a really good stir so both of the oils blend together before we add the rest. Now it's time to add the sugar, and you want to make sure you do all of these steps in the same order as me just so you guys can reap these amazing benefits. And I'm going to be adding 2 full spoons of this, which I'd say is about 2 tablespoons, but the way I do it is I add the first spoon and then I give it a nice good mix. This is because you want the sugar to actually absorb all of the oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and then add the second spoon. Now you just want to fold it and stir it in, and you guys, these ingredients alone help so much if you've ever noticed any roughness on your skin, or I don't know if you guys like to apply matte lipsticks like me, but when you notice it doesn't go on smooth, it dries out, it just doesn't look right. This is when you use this mixture right here. Use it before applying any of those lip products or just to exfoliate all of that off your lips. Now if you want to plump your lips and just really really make them big, I definitely recommend adding natural ground cinnamon, and I will link all my exact ingredients below if you want to use exactly what I use. And I use this small amount because you guys, this works like crazy if you want big lips. It's like natural lip injections or an insanely intense natural lip plumper. Your lips will tingle, and I just think it's amazing if you want a quick fix. So I will stir this really well to make sure it distributes evenly, and then we are ready to apply. Also, if you hear me say this right now, comment 5-minute mark in the comment section so I can show my true subscribers so much love there. So starting off, you want to remove any lip product that you currently have, and then a huge hack is to take a warm towel, something that you just soak in warm water, to really steam your lips and prep them for this amazing mixture. And it's also a natural exfoliant. Then what I like to do is just take a spoon and apply a good amount of this. I do hold a paper towel underneath so it doesn't get too messy, and then I just kind of rub it into my lips with the spoon like a gloss. And then you guys are going to see I use my finger to go in small circular motions to really exfoliate. You guys can already see they're starting to get bigger, plumper, and a little bit pinker. I do time about 2 minutes for the exfoliation process, and then I go in with a paper towel. You guys can skip this step if you have sensitive lips, but I just find this works so well, like a buffing technique to really help the product absorb and plump your lips, smooth them out, polish them, and soften them. And then once they are clean, I go ahead and add this amazing lip mask. You guys, it makes my lips super pink. It smells and tastes so good. You only need such a little amount because it goes such a far way. And then I just apply it with my finger, and you guys, oh my god, I 10 out of 10 recommend using this at the end because it actually naturally stains and softens your lips on top of what we just did. And that is how to get the most beautiful, soft, plump, pink kissable lips. And then I go ahead and add the DIY into a tight seal little glass jar. You can also use a little plastic Tupperware container, and I like to stir it and then keep it in my bathroom. I can use it anytime my lips are not soft, or I just need to clear out and buff out any lip product that I've been using, and it just works so well. So if you guys made it all the way to the end of the video, comment I finished in the comment section so I can show you so much love. Thumbs up the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I have new videos every Tuesdays and Fridays, so hit that notification button. I love you guys. All my socials and links are below, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.